Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Sarika Agnihotri, and today in this video I'm going to talk about that how to give the basic introduction to someone. As you know that giving an introduction is very important part. So whether you are going to crack your interview, or if you are preparing for your exams, or if you want to talk to another person related to your business, being an introduction is a very important part, right? So I'm going to talk about the same. So let's get started, guys. So while in the basic introduction, there are 7 things that you need to talk about it, like your name, your age, your place, your education, your job occupation, your hobbies, and your goal. And in this video, I'm going to give my introduction to you. You have to learn from it and then do your practice at home, because you are going to give your introduction to many people in your life and you should be comfortable in that. So let's start it. And there is one more thing, that always keep smile while giving an introduction. That will make an impact on another person. Okay, so let's start it. Hi, my name is Sarika Agnihotri. I am 29 years old. Basically, I am from Amritsar and I have done my BTech from Amritsar College. At the moment, I am working in an IT company as a software tester from last 5.5 years. My hobbies are to read books, related to my passion, that is teaching. And my goal is to become a motivator, a YouTube, and a public speaker, a fluent speaker who can motivate to another person. So guys, here is my introduction. You just need to learn these basic things and keep practicing at this your home. Okay, I hope you learned a lot more things, and if you want to learn from me, then subscribe to the channel. Okay, and I'm just wanna talk about it that my mission is to impact 1 million lives with my skills and my knowledge, and I'm working on it. I'm learning every day because I know the power of learning every day. We have to be consistent and we will be get our success very soon. Thank you so much for watching this. Until next time, bye.